Hello everyone, alright, we're going to go over ES, crude, and gold. First with the ES is on sells. So what happened, you're basically looking for breakdowns and pullbacks. So breakdown, sell, breakdown, pullback. This one wasn't really that great. I didn't like it. Like, went down here and then over here it started giving, but it's not enough of a pullback. Then after that, it broke here. And you can take this one, but in my opinion, there's not enough of a base. And the final one, actually, I'm surprised this one like continued. But yeah, you had this break right here. A very clean break, base in the background, base is visible here. Break, retest, distribution. Where's the distribution? Right there. That's redistribution. Then breaks. So I mean, if you got the final one, it's not a perfect, big move, but I'll get the job done. We get a nice intraday swing on the ES from about, probably got 1445s, about 15 points. Anyway, let's take a look at the next market. So crude finally is on sells. So we're looking for sells. It's on sells. We look for sells. But this market is very strong in terms of relative strength on a daily. It's, I think, the second strongest market in terms of relative strength. So you have to be careful with the sells and just use some sense. So I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see, maybe. It might go down to here. Yeah, you just got to be careful with this, because even though it's on sells, we all know, we're not dumb, that this has the second strongest relative strength, and that's why even the sells, they're being bought. So I was actually gonna go long, and I don't like to do that when it's on sells, but I mean, take a look at this: red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green, rally, red, green, red, green, red, rally, takes out the high. So this was very easy to trade, especially after this bar and follow through that took out the high. But the damn thing didn't pull back. So it didn't pull back. So no entry. Anyway, next market. So gold is on sells. So right here you got a sells. It's on sells. You have sell right here. When this was, I don't even know when this was. Who is this? Yeah, it's too early, but I mean, once it's on sells, you can get on pullbacks. So, and that was then it's on sells again, but I don't like all this volume here. Just easily set up a reversal higher. Anyway, those are the three markets. So gold is still on sells, but this thing is coming back down. So we have to be careful, because it is very, very close to a demand area. See that rally? That's the breakout. That breakout, pullback test, failed, breakout to the downside, breakout to the downside. But this is the area. Yeah, it can definitely pick up right in here. This is the block. This block right here or something, like some accumulation. So it's going very close to that. So you have to just be careful, because this area here is the accumulation area, and this is a high. Let's see. Well, I mean, we'll see. If it goes on buys, we go buys. If it goes sells, we continue selling. I mean, that's all you can do. All right, let's move on, and let me check the other markets. So for crude, it's on sells, but you have to be careful again, because this thing is the second. I think this had the second most relative strength, the second or third. I think it may still be second most relative strength in the futures markets. So we have to be really careful with sells, because they're not going to work. If there's that much relative strength, the buyers will come in. The selling is heavy. This is the biggest in 10 bars. The selling on the daily. So we'll see. And finally on the ES is marking down. What the hell? Yeah, I don't know what the hell. What's going on here? Is it data? Yeah, it's data. Alright, so this is the breakout bar right here. You see that? That's the breakout bar. So we had the reversal today. So I think it can go a little lower. There's no reason why it can't go at least here. So I'm just going to continue looking for sells until here, until it enters that breakout bar. Then and these two pivots, then we'll see what happens. But right now, it can definitely go lower. All right, thank you. Bye.